Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're focusing on a vital skill, how to write an essay outline. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon. Think of an essay outline as a blueprint for building your ideas. It's a framework that organizes your thoughts to ensure your essay flows logically. Why bother with an outline? It keeps your writing focused, coherent, and efficient. Essential for any good essay. Let's dive into the steps. Start by selecting your topic and defining your essay's purpose. Then, craft a clear thesis statement to guide your arguments. Identify the main points that support your thesis. Organize these logically and back each one with solid evidence. Wrap up with a strong conclusion that ties everything together and reinforces your thesis. Use our quick checklist to make sure your outline is clear and comprehensive. Check for logical progression and completeness. That's it. Simple, right? Follow these steps to craft a robust essay outline. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell for more tips. Happy writing!